Punjin so isi chapala da ani sani richidin so be July number ani maraso ani shunugi July da
by the dawn's early light, oh so proudly we hail, and the twilight's last gleaming, who's got stripes and bright stars through the perilous fights.
Next, we would love to welcome RTYC President, Mr. Karma Singh, on the stage.
아니 계좌 통동시 쇼고 삼스 아니 다 드림 아니 로닝베기 타마디 차비요레 아니 사인이 제네 간조 다 로사바 고츠비요레 데도 아니 말아서 진노 건설 정비치 보초 구세 샤베 때와다 먼저 참매기 님루토니 말람자야다 마음베 간주기 로사바디 아니 하살이야 좀트르비 말람슈니 산이 폴렌 산이 슈누 다 소소기 겐치키니 안 드링디다 소소모니 아니 야보지 차 종송 사바지 지 산이 그랜쿠버가 산이 폴렌기 미망 행게 넘버 3기 얍조 항상에기 때니 아니 다른 산이 슈누기 레고 컨디치나 참미기 차로 가리토네나 참미기 나와지 소소기 닝타바네 투제나 슈에니
Next, we would love to welcome SFT Pacific Northwest's President, Legil Dongdong.
I'm Legil Dongdong, SFT PNW's President, and welcome to our fundraiser by RTYC and Students for Free Tibet of the Pacific Northwest. In the short time our organization has been set up, we have accomplished several goals. In Seattle, on I-5 next to Northgate Station, this photo shows our contribution on December 10th, Human Rights Day. We were able to receive a helping hand from TAW to advocate on Human Rights Day. So I'd like to thank Chokunjo Gombo and the Seattle community for incorporating younger activists such as us.
in the work, and honestly, listen to my music, so give it up for them one more time. SFT, one more time. All right. So this first song is called, Fast one, English? So the first song is called Re Mare. I actually like writing Tibetan songs on my spare time. Don't use. He works for SFT as well, so I just have one. So I just have one request. Yankee. Re Mare la paranja. Re Mare la. Check it so. Re Mare. And go back one more time. Re Mare. Re Mare. Ba. Alright, John. Alright, make some noise, let's go. Music in chest on drum. So I hope you guys enjoy. Come on, you go away. Who did enjoy? Now, bye. 잠깐만 출시되는 거지. 잡으셔야 돼서 한번 축제를 기대. Yeah. You guys ready? Somebody say you got a new friend. 미소만 뭉쳐야 해. But she love you better than I can. There's a big black sky over my town. I know where you're at and I bet yeah, I know it's stupid. I just have to see it for myself. I'm on the corner, watching you kiss her. Oh, and I'm right over here. Why can't you see me? Oh, and I'm giving it my all, but I'm not the guy you take home. I keep dancing on my own. I just wanna dance with you all night. I'm all messed up, I'm so out of line. Stilettos and broken bottles, I'm spinning around in circles. Well, I'm on the corner, watching you kiss her. Oh, and I'm right over here. Why can't you see me? Oh, and I'm giving it my all, but I'm not the guy you take home. I keep dancing on my own. But still so near, the lights go on and the music dies. But you don't see me standing here. I just came to say goodbye. I'm on the corner, watching you kiss her. And I'm giving it my all, but I'm not the guy you take it home. Ooh, I keep dancing on my own. So far away, but still so near. The lights go on and the music dies, but you don't see me standing. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Jordan, what's up? Also, before I leave the stage, we have more dope performances. I just don't want to I want to give a special shout out to all the Maja in the back, you know.
역시 경험시규.
兄弟先给个主的，节目到了。 I ain't get. I said, give me your soul. Get that. The first song I want to sing is "Thank you for your mind." I love that. She ain't no doom in a chair, man. I really care about my Bobo a lot. He just passed away not recently, 6 months ago. I was taking care of him, my grandpa, for 6 months over there. I left everything, and but I'm glad I got to spend time with him. He was one of the best storytellers in the world, and then he would forget because he had dementia, you know. So he would look at me and he'd be like, "Oh, the story was good, right?" And I'd be like, "Yes." And he'd be like, "Who are you?" You know. So I'm just glad I got to spend time with him. And this song is called "Bobo Momo." I wrote it a while back, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. It's definitely English, but I really do hope you guys enjoy it. Look. Let's go.
I wanna go home,
Come on.
back in your arms again,
I wanna go
where it all began. It's not too late. I wanna go home, back in your arms again, where it all
Here we go.
began. Tell me it's not too late.
I found the key to happiness another door, man. Located in Balakupi, came to where I grew up, man. I looked at the white gates and then I saw that it had my house number written on it. Brought memories back. Opened the door, my beautiful grandma was there. Cause I could recognize the smell of chopped pleasure anywhere. Hot outside with the breeze of the summer air. Had my grandfather telling me stories about when I was there. Familiar faces, haven't seen in ages. Amazes me, smile from cheek to cheek. Nothing else can replace this. Pure innocence, witnessing naked. The beautiful garden oasis. It feels good to return to the basics. Sitting in the field, friends sharing meals. Drink, laugh, and party, and share all of our ideas. So I closed my eyes and took a breath. Living life with no regrets. Balance out the good and stress. My grandparents' mindsets. Alright.
Back in your arms again, where it all began. Tell me it's not
Make some noise for your mama,
too
let's go.
late.
Wasn't a bad kid, always got into trouble. Couldn't imagine how my mother really dealt with the struggle. As I grew up, the ponder problems turned into purple. So I thank my mama for teaching me how to stay humble. Sometimes I wonder how your life changes if the beat ups and down and hold your seats. It can be hard sometimes. We all tends to be bittersweet. Momo and Momo, you mama, my rocks will stay once. And I'm a truth that I bet he'd be alright in the long run. Grandfather still hits me up to say, can have some fun. Hope the Asians didn't take their memories of their grandson. I miss y'all every day with the tears of a crying son. Pray for y'all every day like a chance from 1,000 months. I closed my eyes and took a breath. Living life with no regrets. Balance out the good and stress. My grandparents' mindsets.
Home, back in your arms again, where it all began. It's not too late.
What
I
mama
wanna
say?
go home,
Yeah,
back
what
in your
mama
arms
say?
again, where it all began. It's not too late.
You know what they used to say?
Mm.
I'm sure that you promise me you'll come home soon.
Promise me
What will mama say? What will mama say? Yeah, I'm sure that you promise me you'll come home soon. What will mama say? What will mama say? Will I wanna go home? Back in your arms again, where it all began. Tell me it's not too late. Oh, mama. as a young boy. Had to flee your country cause the hopes were destroyed. Imagine that, leaving your country but can never return back. What will we living for if we don't have our freedom? A land was untouched, one of the richest kingdoms till the Chinese government came in and messed up our system. And anybody, but we really needed them. Scared to say anything, people still living in genocide. Young monks, only 15, committing suicide. I thought we took them, would you burn themselves alive? Make a point for us to see what lives are being thrown at our eyes, right? Blood bath in the river for tears. From the morning and healing, another running, living in the fit of barefoot. Crossing the mountains to get out of there so our kids can have a better future somewhere over here. What can we do besides scream and hurt ourselves? We just need more believers, some over people's help. Speaking from the youth, we can't take it anymore. Lose some Tibet. Media only sells us for. So here we go again. 1, 2. This for my people, this for my people. Make some noise, y'all. I said, this for my people. This for my people. You ever said, wear your little cup up? Look, I say, speak a little louder, be a little prouder. Put your best sugar on yourself if you gotta. Put your little cup up on your neck if you gotta. If you come, just get a bit louder. Put your little louder. I definitely messed up, but we gon' keep going on. Put your little louder. Put your little louder. I hope you feel prouder. I hope you feel prouder. And even if you got your really triple over so one more time. Yeah, this for my people, for my people, for my people. This for my people, for my people, for my people. Put a little louder. Yeah. This for my people, for my people, for my people. This for my people, for my people. Yeah, speak a little louder. Yeah, speak a little louder. Speak a little louder, be a little prouder. Put your best sugar on yourself if you got it. Put a little cap up on your head, right harder. Put your best sugar on yourself if you got it. A little louder, be a little prouder. Put your best sugar on yourself if you got it. Put a little cap up on your head, right harder. Put your best sugar on yourself if you got it. A little louder, be a little prouder. Put your best sugar on yourself if you got it. Put a little cap up on your neck, right harder. Put your best sugar on yourself if you got it. Speak a little louder, be a little prouder. Put your best sugar on yourself if you got it. Put a little cap up on your neck, rap harder. Put your best sugar on yourself if you got it. Give it up for yourself. Thank you very much. I'll be here. I'll be back. Thank you.
DJ là 먼저 초파기 까마카시링을 프레지던시 어디지 불감슈 아니 DJ를 셔라이 아니 미망이 잡주나와데 투지체 아니 pomo디 먼저 우산이 슈누기 속도수바 계산 분수 보두바 야 집주나오나 빈냠돌이야 아니 나라서 기시 참발이야 야 페로나 슈에이 아니 디 미망이 데스지 도나 슈춘부 셔로지 아주 디 담자디 베베시 계춘부이 디인도라 산이 슈누기 다링디 먼저 담자내야디 니마레 차조기 드는 레고도 디인도 먼저 기 계산 분수 보두라리야 리고 슈제 대표와디 안투체나 슈에이 안 디자바 페로나
流行동아의 교육建筑等等 토끼 노랑기 통화를 걔는 르베 기초 정보를 수반한다 NCG 내게 감시 상을 리는 제시 고에 배경 파송기 소는 공수수 다남 규바 tất cả các vùng miền của là thuế kỳ sản lượng tỷ lệ quan kỳ mọi người sẽ chịu người dân nam đơn lệ chính là thống chí sử dụng tệ sử lên kỳ định chi nhưng như chủ đề nằm tích sung 예매 토 별대시 미리 나와가 제배 샵대 수고를
두골,
탁삼, 남다,
남다,
고숨,
여성,
미슈, 가유,
예술, 과연,
오고, 요술, 매배,
요거, 뜻은 내내,
배드, 홀레, 초숨, 내제, 빵필, 슈규, 헬레, 방자, 짱마 배워인. 됐을래. 그냥 가래네 산에 쉬기게 잘 이 제가 보고. 자, 더구나.
계시라 투체나 니 초조수가 계속 보조라 투체나 쉬니 차슈스 제스 잡으나 아니 마음발라 만주 배가라 지금 줘봐이나 아니 지 루다 tumba 시작이래 인도라 아니 비사와 페와 창말라 투체 제스 쉬니 아니 디제라 만주 초배기 아니 자기야 단다 사와 소이시 말이샤
다다 공동 이 센서데 까마카시지 바로다 상가지야체 내가 아주 초배 자지 웹사이트 그 사와지 그 소요래 소양 고주사네 다 나와지 이지 로고래 마음바라 자지 오늘 유저 프렌들리나 미 참아 페이지당 보여야지 내가 뭐 지워지 아주 웹사이트 이거라 내가 지켜야 회사시 이제 웹사이트 텐덴지 그 소토야라 그 슈가체 나나 안졸라 웹사이트 소니 제안들라 내가 다가 뭐라데 페요래 아니 뭐하기 아주 자치 되고라 아니 오주 노디지 슈거래 마음바다 아주 로망보다 자치 되게 팬 도야다 내 배주 슈치고 용야 되게 차시 지간에 아니 모기 아주라 잡조시제 당한체제 그 잘해 남겨래 안 참아가 차시 좀 나버지 되잖아.
So I worked really hard on this website. This will be coming out soon. It's almost done. It's basically just supposed to be a lot more user-friendly for our members as well as the community of Portland to help with donations as well as see our events, see what we've been up to, all of our progression through our community at the NWTCA. So this is the website. Pictures in the front, of course. This is the homepage. Lots of news, information for our members, basically new upcoming events. And we also have a mission page about us, Sunday School. It basically has a lot of the information as the old website, just a lot more user-friendly. You can also make payments on here for your membership as well as Sunday School and the camps that Sunday School puts on for the students. So here you can choose your memberships. You can make a one-time payment online and keep your credit card and wallet saved to your login information for the website. And yeah, this is the website. Showing a little bit more. This is the, let me see. I'll just show you the registration page for the Sunday School. So this is Sunday School page. It has the registration form. Sorry, it's still loading. You can download it. This is the Sunday School fees. Lots of pictures, updated pictures. Yeah. This is it. Thank you guys.
Sure.
Hard enough, ain't nobody like you. Make my heart do a flip in the manner of you. Cause close eyes and I feel like I'm hypnotized. Stretch me, stand back in your eyes. No rush, you can take it slow. Right here, pretty girl, you just wanna know. The need for the mood continues to begin. 내리는 나는 사무실 나를 어디 샤워사. Your mama should be shining. It's your baby, I see. And it's so damn clear, the feeling that I get when I look in your eyes. My stars so bright, they didn't turn in my mind. True love within my land, true love.
感谢南友，谢谢南。
I was gonna sing another rap song and whatnot, but Misama the children of Kalasa had to do it. No, chicken curry lugi lugi English. So I wanna sing the Ray Mare song again, but this time you gotta be louder. Yes? Will you promise me you'll be louder? Because I only have 3 songs left. I have a little break, and then I'll come back after the countdown. So after Ray Mare Kuji, let's party, yeah? So let's try it again. Right now, 1 second. Repeat after me. Re Mare. Oh, Kala Sara shoot. That's finish. Re Mare. Re Mare. Re Mare. Bah. So I'll perform one more song, Remare, and I really hope you guys enjoy it, and let's sing together. Yes? And give it up one more time for the young SMT people, man. I'm so proud of them. Because these kids are super young. And they're really working hard for what they do the best. And, you know, come on, stop it. Let's go. One more time. You guys ready? What? DJ, hit me. If he plays the wrong song, it's gonna be funny. In that. I think this don't do this. In that, okay, sang YouTube le 통으로. Let's see it. Let's see if you guys are ready again. Like, amen. Oh, you guys are ready. One more time. Let's go. You guys ready? Come on. Come forward. Shoot up. It's all about us tonight. Call your money, baby, it's alright. Call your money, baby, it's alright. It's all about us tonight. Okay, let's see if you got it, right? I've been falling for you, no, remare. Oh, yes, I know you've been falling for me too, remare. Yes, I'm falling for me too, remare. Oh, yes, I know you've been falling for me too, remare. Remare, oh remare, remare, I said remare. Oh damn, give it up for yourself, let's go. What did I say? If you're Tibetan, what do we say?
둘다도 러브나에 아니 간족이 로춘주 시상바요 아니 모랑이 부모님들에게 자로 시구나 가딘치 아니 다 대화라 하 대화다 체 대화다 아니 류 대화다 양카시 되게 여바이나 아니 까만스링 뭐니 공다 수행 체나 아니 상말에 제작부 뭐지 아니 나가라 초바래 말아서 찾대봐 아니 SFG래 슈누래 대단한 신기 말아서 별한 술도 초바 대단한 신기 마오선자 대단한 신기 아니 다 참만 수제와시 대단한 신 나와 아니 참만이